Hello everyone, friends. You're on the Velas channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the Steam IPL's 64 is missing on your computer. To fix this, we go to Google and type in Steam IP64DLL. We enter the query, go to the first website and download the Steam IPDL respectively. Here I'm downloading the latest version. We're going to download it. It's not available on this website. We'll download it from another one. Let's download it from this one. I'm using a 664-bit system. In general, you just have to find this file on one of the websites. We will need this file. The next thing we do is go to this PC, drive C, Windows, and here we need the System32 folder. Here, we copy and paste the Steam APDL. 4. Click Continue and go to the SteamWow64 folder. Here, we also copy and paste this file. After this, reboot your computer and the problem should be fixed. This was Valer. Bye everyone.